Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO K12x and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Open Settings application and look for our About device selection. In it we tap on our version and we must tap sometimes to version number to activate our develop mode. To confirm it, enter our look screen. And now we are developer. We go back and choose additional settings where we have new option, developer option. In it memory, and there we have all information about our available random access memory that now it's 3.46 gigabytes. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.